Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Prite, your go-to channel for all things personal finance. Today, we're diving into a topic that's often misunderstood, yet important when it comes to tax season: the disadvantages of married filing jointly. If you've ever wondered whether it's truly beneficial to check that box on your tax return, then this video is for you. Disadvantages of filing jointly: joint and several liability. When you file jointly, both spouses are equally responsible for the accuracy of the tax return and any resulting tax debts, including interest and penalties. This can be a significant risk if one spouse has tax issues, underreports income, or commits fraud. Potential for a marriage penalty. While less common, some couples with similar high incomes may pay more in taxes jointly than they would as two single individuals. This is because specific high-income tax brackets have income thresholds that are less than double for joint filers. Medical expense deduction limitations. The medical expense deduction only applies to costs exceeding 7.5% of your adjusted gross income, AGI. For a couple with high combined income but significant medical costs for only one spouse, filing separately could make it easier to reach the AGI threshold and deduct more expenses. Risk of losing a refund to a spouse's debts. If your spouse owes past due debts to the government, such as child support, federal student loans, or back taxes, the IRS can withhold your joint tax refund to cover the debt. You can file an injured spouse claim, Form 8379, to get your portion of the refund back, but this adds extra steps to the process. Impact on student loan repayment plans. For those on an income-driven repayment (IDR) plan for federal student loans, filing jointly means your monthly payment is based on your combined income. Filing separately could lead to lower monthly payments based only on the individual's income. How to decide. For most married couples, especially those where one spouse earns significantly more than the other, filing jointly is the most beneficial option. The larger standard deduction, lower tax brackets, and access to more tax credits often lead to a lower total tax liability. You should consider filing separately if you or your spouse has high itemized deductions, such as significant medical expenses that AGI limits. You or your spouse is on an income-driven student loan repayment plan. You are concerned about being liable for your spouse's financial or tax issues. You and your spouse have very different incomes and are in a community property state. The best way to make a decision is to calculate your taxes both ways. Thanks for tuning in to Prite. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more insights into personal finance and tax strategies. Leave us a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Until next time, stay informed and make smart choices.